let's work on the chord voicings for Christmas Time is Here. This will help you accompany a singer, another guitarist, or any melodic instrument. I'll show you the progression and then we'll go through the chord voicings note for note. If you find this video is helping you make progress on the tune, please help out the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing, and leave a comment and let me know how you're doing on it. So we're in the key of F here, and we're in 3/4 time. So we're going to start out with a little bit of back and forth between F major 9 and E flat 9. Okay, so there's an example. You can play in a lot of different ways, but those are the two different voicings. So here's the next sequence of chords. We're still in the A section here. So here we have B minor 7 flat 5, 2 beats, B flat minor 7, 1 beat, A minor 7, 2 beats, 1 beat, then G minor 7 for 2 beats, and then we have B flat over C for 1 beat, and then I'm landing back here on the F major 9. So that's the A section. Let's go through and survey all the notes for these chords. Okay, so we have F major 9, E flat 9. Okay, then I'll go back to those two, F major 9, E flat 9. Okay, B minor 7 flat 5, B flat minor 7, A minor 7, A flat minor 7, G minor 7, B flat over C, and then the F major 7. So that covers the A section. Now let's work on the B section. So remember the form is A, B, A. So here I'm playing D flat major 7 and G flat 9. And then we just go back and forth. They each receive 3 beats. Let's take a listen to the next section here. Okay, so let's take a look at what's going on here. We have A minor 7 for 2 beats, and then E flat 9. That gives us a little movement into the D9. D9 for 2 beats. We're going to change up the 9 to a flat 9 for 1 beat. G minor, 2 beats, D flat 9 for 1 beat, and then C9 for 3 beats. And then that ends out the B section. Okay, now that we know how that kind of fits in time, let's take a closer look at each one of those voicings note for note. So D flat major 7, G flat 9, back to D flat major 7, and then the G flat 9. Okay, moving from there, we have A minor 7, E flat 9, D9, D7 flat 9, G minor 7, flat 9, and C9. So that was the B section. So you want to play the A section 2 times, then the B section, and then back to the A section. You can find this lead sheet in the Real Book Christmas edition. Also play these changes along with recordings. I'm in the process of working on a chord melody arrangement for this, and some of those chords will vary from this particular progression. Keep an eye out for that. I'm looking forward to putting that together, and so make sure you're subscribed so that you get the notification on that. We're putting together a brand new community of musicians and learners of jazz guitar. So check out my website, fretprints.com. And for now, join the email list and we'll be up and running here pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a great practice session.